So in your computer, after opening Microsoft Word, you can create this number 7 with comma using a keyboard shortcut method. So for creating this, I'll show you. First, you must go to your keyboard, and here you can see this number lock key. Suppose if the number lock is off, you must turn on the number lock. You can see an alt key on the side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. Don't remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time, you must type here 127240. After typing 127240, you can release your finger from this alt key. Then you can see that number 7 with the comma we are created using this shortcut method. Now this area is here for more videos. Subscribe. Thank you.